Hello guys, so today we are making a working model on maths. So the topic is that all the three angles of a triangle make the sum 180 degree. So I have taken, this is a working model for maths class 8, and I have taken a cardboard and covered it with chart paper and then cut out a triangle, and with the same size of the triangle I have cut out a cardboard triangle as well, and I have marked arcs and cut them accordingly, as you can see. And then I have cut the triangle that I had made of cardboard accordingly into two angles, so that like this, then we will be attaching them, and then it will turn out and it will work, and then these three angles will make the sum 180 degree. I've also cut out two circles accordingly, and now using pen refills, and by cutting them we will arrange them accordingly, and then when we will rotate it, the working model will be ready. You can see rest of the process in my video. To support it from the back, I've also made it stronger by putting cardboard. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching.